You are not using your terminal at the speed you are capable of, but we can fix it. Therefore, in this video, we are going to polish your terminal so that it increases your speed and hence improves your productivity. Speed is one of the key factor in productivity. We don't want your terminal to slow you down. So we will set up syntax highlighting, auto suggestion, better search, theme and aliases. Let's start right now. So now let's begin. The first step is to update the system. Yeah, it's always the first step. Afterwards, we have to install ZSH. So I'm using apt install ZSH. So after the install is completed, yep, it's done. Wait, what? You don't know how to install ZSH on your system? Let me show that to you. Go to Chrome, search ChatGPT, and how to install ZSH on major Linux distro. There you go, you have it. Now you can enter the command and ZSH will be installed. You're welcome. Next, we will install OMyZSH, search OMyZSH and click on the first link on Google. Scroll down and copy the link, installation link and paste in your terminal. Yes, you have to make sure curl is installed. So let's install curl now. Apt install curl, done. Now try again. You absolutely have to make sure git is installed. So yeah, install and try again. It will succeed and ask you to set your default CSH shell. Yes, absolutely. Continue, enter, and done. OMyZSH is installed. But we still don't have any colors or syntax highlighting. As you can see, we do not have any colors in it. So now let's fix that. By continuing, we will install another plugin, and that plugin is for ZSH. If you search ZSH auto completion plugin, you will find a gist on GitHub, and just copy the auto completion plugin, paste, another copy and paste. After it is done, we have to edit our ZSHRC file and add these into the file. Open up code or any editor that you want, open ZSHRC file and search for a field called plugins. And in that plugin, you have to add those two things, ZSH auto completion and auto suggest and ZSH syntax highlighting. After that, you have to source .zshrc file and you're done. Now you can see we have colors, syntax highlighting, and you will also find that we have auto suggestion now. Cool, we have a working setup now. Let's spice this up. Next thing, we will add a better search tool. It's FZF Fuzzy Finder. Go on its GitHub and scroll down, you will find install instructions. Copy the install instruction and paste on your terminal. After it is installed, after it is installed, you have to do a little bit of search. We have verified that FZF is installed. Now let's begin by setting it up. For ZSH, we have to copy this and add into our .zshrc file. Again, scroll down and just below that source, we add our source file, paste, save, and again we have to do source.zshrc file, after which it should be ready. Now if you press Ctrl R, you will find the history of your previous command and you can search through using your own words. Yeah, that's very easy and convenient. As you can see it, just find your command and hit enter. It will appear on the terminal and hit enter, again execute. You can also use it to search file. If you press Ctrl T, it will show another search option where you can search for files and maybe cat that file. That's how easy it is. You remember when you press a command and hit tab for completion, it shows the completion options and it is not pretty and you cannot even search in it. So let's fix that now. Search for FZF tab, go to the GitHub link and scroll down. You will find install instructions. We want install instructions for ZSH. Copy that and just paste and enter. Now it will clone the files. Again, we have to add this into our plugin. So now let's open our ZSHRC file and add FZF tab, save, and again we have to do source.zshrc. You may need to close and open up your terminal again. Now if I tab and enter, I can search and open up the command and just hit enter to select. That's how easy it is. At this point, you might want to change how your ZSH cell looks like. I'm talking about themes. So let's change that now. Search for ZSH themes and you will find a page which showcases the themes that are available in ZSH. You can use any of it in your terminal. Let's try one. Let's try this one. Copy the name and you can just try out using OMG theme and use and the name of the theme. It will directly apply the theme so you can test and try out. And if you find out the theme is all right for you, you can permanently apply it. Let's try to apply this Apple theme permanently. But before that, let's try it once. And again, OMG theme use, and it's look all right. Yeah, let's update our theme in ZSHRC file. Just name the theme Apple and save. You might want to restart your terminal or source.zshrc file, and there you go, you have it. We are almost done here. We have done a lot of changes. We have used themes, we have used fuzzy finder, and we can also search through our past history, of course, command history. And yeah, so one last thing to do here is to set aliases to various command, which will make your command experience more fast and easy. These are some aliases that I use, one of which is dev. I quickly want to be inside the folder which contains my dev projects, so dev, and I will be inside the directory. Similar thing with test, and I am in a test directory. DK is for Docker. Okay, Docker is not running. So let's see another one, I is for Incus, I list, and K for Kubernetes. So it is very easy and quick to enter commands. This is a baseline config and with very basic setups. Now you can customize it more and make it to your liking. But now you have a better search, you have search history, you have syntax highlighting, and a lot of things with ZSH. So you can save time and quickly navigate through your terminal, and you save your time and be more productive. So that's it for today. Keep watching and see you in the next one.